In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live stream on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive straight into the steps of getting your live stream set up and running smoothly on Vimeo. First things first, you'll need to open Vimeo in your web browser. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one, but if you do have an account, simply sign in. This is where it all begins. Once you're logged in, we can start getting things ready for the live stream. Now, look up at the top navigation bar. You'll see a button labeled plus create. Go ahead and click on that. It'll open up a drop-down menu for you. From here, select event. This is a crucial step because Vimeo treats live streams as events that you can set up and customize according to your needs. At this point, if you're prompted to select a live stream option, choose live stream. Vimeo will now give you the option to either set things up quickly, or if you want to take your time and customize, choose set up from scratch. This choice is great if you have specific settings or features in mind for your event. Now, let's get excited about entering your event title. This is how your audience will identify your live stream, so make sure it's something catchy or descriptive that represents what your live stream is all about. After entering your event title, it's time for the more detailed part, configuring your event settings. Here, you can set things like the date and time, decide if you want the event to be public or private, and much more. Make sure to double-check everything here to ensure it aligns with what you want for your audience. Once you're satisfied with your setups, click the Create button. This action will lead you to the Web-Based Production Studio, a feature Vimeo provides to help you manage your live stream effectively. When you're in the production studio, you'll need to select how you want to stream. If you plan to use your computer's webcam and microphone, choose Stream from your browser. Vimeo will then prompt you to allow access to your camera and microphone. This step is crucial, so make sure to grant that permission for everything to work seamlessly. Now, you're almost there. After allowing access, it's time to select which camera and microphone you want to use. If you have multiple devices connected to your computer, set the one that gives you the best audio and visual quality. Once you've selected your camera and microphone, take a moment to check the preview. This is where you'll want to make sure everything looks good on screen and sounds solid as well. Adjust any lighting or audio levels as needed. Pay attention to other event settings too. You might want to consider the chat options, whether you want to allow comments, and any other preferences you may have set for interaction with your audience. Now that you see your feed looks great and all settings are in order, you're ready for the big moment. When you feel content and fully prepared, click the Go Live button. Congratulations! Your stream is now live and your audience is tuning in. After the event wraps up, you'll need to end the live stream properly. So if you've finished your stream, click on the End Event button. This ensures that everything concludes smoothly and you can review your event highlights afterward. And there you have it. You've just learned how to live stream on Vimeo from start to finish. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with the settings and features available to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please subscribe and like the video.